Hi, good morning, everyone. Today, in our lecture topic, we are going to discuss about the structure and function of central government. The topic name is Union Government. So, the Union Government is also called as a central government. Where why it is called as a central government means it is heading all the states in our country. Union government have three organs. One is legislature, executive, judiciary. So, organs of the government. So, what is legislature? So, legislature is nothing but of a makes the law, and executive implements the law, and judiciary interprets the law. So, union legislature. The union legislature is called the parliament. The parliament of India consists of president of India. The two houses are Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. So, this picture is nothing but the parliament in our country. It is located in Delhi. So inside the parliament, the session will be taking place like this in this picture. You could have seen this kind of I mean images and thing in your in various news channels. So what is Lok Sabha? Lok Sabha is the lower house of the parliament. The member of the Lok Sabha are directly elected by the citizens who are above age of 18. The maximum number of seats in the Lok Sabha is 552. So, member of the Lok Sabha. So, the Lok Sabha members are elected for a 5 years. A member may contest election any number of times. The Lok Sabha is dissolved on the expiry of its full term of 5 years. So, what is the qualifications of the Lok Sabha members? So, to become a member of Lok Sabha, one should be a citizen of India and they must be at least 25 years of the age and they should not have been sentenced to imprisonment. They should not be insolvent. So, these are all the qualifications. So, who is the Speaker of Lok Sabha? So, the power and function of the speakers are deciding the matters to be discussed in the houses, maintaining the discipline and dignity of the houses, and conducting the discussion in a proper manner and taking decisions. So these are all the responsibilities and powers of the Lok Sabha Speaker. Rajya Sabha. So in Rajya Sabha, there are two categories. So Rajya Sabha consists of 250 members. So 238 states and union territories elected indirectly and the remaining 12 nominated by the president of our country. So members of Rajya Sabha, to become a member of Rajya Sabha, one must not less than 30 years of the age. The term of Rajya Sabha member is 6 years. The Vice President of India is Chairman of Rajya Sabha. So role of opposition party. So pointing out the lapses, if any, on the part of the government, reviewing the policies and programs of the government and giving timely advice to the government, cabinet, and ministers. So, the opposition party and the ruling party will have the discussion in the parliament. That time, the opposition party will point out the lapses, what I said, and the ruling party have to answer for the questions arised by the opposition party. So, this is the time scenario will be happening in the parliament, so both in Lok Sabha and as well as the Rajya Sabha. So the power and functions of the parliament. So legislative power, financial power, administrative power, authority to amend the constitution. So these are all the power and functions of the parliament. So union and state government. So central government and state government have been the both have been aligned with the same kind of a structure. So there are three things: legislative, executive, and judicial that we already discussed. So the state government also the same concept will be followed: the legislative, executive, and judicial. Maybe the some time will be differ. Like if you take executive in the case of union government, so in executive, prime minister will be there, president will be there, vice president will be there. But in the case of state, governor, chief minister, and council of ministers will be there. So that is the difference. The name will be the name and the name will be differ, but the alignment and the procedures or more or less will be same for union and state governments. The Union Executive. The Union Executive is composed of the President, Prime Minister, and his Council of Ministers. So currently, uh, uh, through Narendra Modi ji is the Prime Minister, and who have set of Council of Minister, and along with President will be there. So that is picturized here. And union executive, the elected members of both houses of parliament, members of the legislative assembly of all the states elect the president of India. The president is the head of the Indian republic. He is called the first citizen of the country. His official residence is Rashtriya Bhavan. Qualification of president. He should be citizen of India. He should have completed the age of 35 years. He should be qualified for election as a member of Lok Sabha. He should not hold any office of profit under the government. So this is the Rashtrapati Bhavan. This image shows. So power of president. So executive power, legislative power, judicial power, financial power, military power, emergency power, discretionary powers. So these are all the powers of the president of our country. So vice president. So the member of both the houses of the parliament elect the vice president. The vice president must be over 35 years of the age and have all the qualifications required to become president. He is the chairman of the Rajya Sabha. So importance of the prime minister. So the prime minister plays an important role in the parliamentary system of the government. His responsibility is enormous in the matter of national security. And functions, power and functions of the prime ministers. He is the leader of Lok Sabha. He is the head of the government. On advice of the prime minister, the minister are appointed by the president. He has the power to allot portfolios to the ministers. He has the power to reshuffle the cabinet. He recommends to the president the removal of the ministers. So let's have the assessment quickly that the governor of the state is appointed by the president on the advice of dash. So, and next question, the president gives his resignation to the dash. For what period does the vice president of the India hold office? And next question, who holds the office during the pleasure of president? The next question, the total number of members nominated by the president, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha each. So these are all the assessment questions. Thank you.